back to SS Multimedia. My name is Naman Patil and I'm going to be teaching today's lesson. Today's lesson is going to be problem solving multi-step problems or multiple step problems. Today's objective is to learn how to solve a multiplication problem using multiple steps. So multiplication is times and multiple steps is more than one step. Okay, so let's get started. I have two word problems here that I'm going to read out now, and we're going to work both of them out, okay, together. John had 24 books in his shelf, so we have our number here. Okay, he got 2 times another number more books than that from the library. His sister had 3 times, okay, another number, 3 times the amount of books John had in all. How many books does John's sister have in all? Okay, so now he has 24 books to start off with. So this is a this is a multiple step problem. Okay, so he has 24 books to start off with, but then he goes to the library and gets 2 times more than that. So 24. So first thing we have to do is 24 times 2, which is basically 24 plus 24. Let's do that here. 24 times 2. Okay, 4 times 2 equals 8. 2 times 2 equals 4. So it equals 48. So now we know that John has 48 books in all. It says his sister has 3 times the amount of books John had in all. So now we have to do 48, which is the amount of books John has, times 3. Times 3. Okay, 8 times 3 equals 8, 16, 24. 24. And then 3 times, oh wait, we have to do our number over here, the 2. Okay, so now 3 times 4 equals 4, 8, 12. 12 plus 2 equals 14. So 144. He has 100, or John's sister has 144 books. So the answer is 144 books. So let me box that. Okay, that's our answer. That was how I did that multiple step problem. That multiple step problem had 2 steps to it. You had to multiply the 24 books times 2, and then you had to multiply that 48 times 3 to get the final answer. So now the next problem says, Naman, which is me, has 14 pencils in his room. His friend has 3 times more pencils than me. My sister has 2 times more pencils than Naman's friend, or my friend. How many pencils does Naman's sister have? So first thing we have to do is underline these numbers. 14 pencils, 3 times, 2 times. Okay, so now I start off with 14 pencils, and then my friend has 3 times more than that. So then now we have to do 14 times 3, because my friend has 3 times more pencils than I do. Okay, so 4 times 3 is 12. That 1 up here, 3 times 1 is 3, and then we add that 1, so 42. So my friend has 42 pencils. But then wait, my sister has 2 times more pencils than my friend, and my friend has 42 pencils. So now to find out how many pencils my sister has, which is what we're going to have as the answer too, we have to do 42 times 2. So now 2 times 2 equals 4, and then 2 times 4 equals 8. So that means my sister has 84 pencils. 84 pencils. So I'm just going to box this because it's our answer. So that was pretty simple. There's not much to it. So now let's move on to the next problem. So now the next problem says The blue jay has 23 twigs to build her nest, and the robin has 3 times that to build her nest. So we can underline 23 twigs, and the robin has 3 times, so we can underline 3 times. And then the next sentence is, if the woodpecker has 2 times the amount of twigs the robin has, how many twigs does the woodpecker have in all? So it's pretty simple. It's like all the other ones we have done. So we have 23 twigs, or the blue jay has 23 twigs, and it says the robin has 3 times that. So we can do 23 times 3 to get the robin's amount. So 3 times 3 equals 9, and 3 times 2 equals 6. Now the robin has 69 twigs to build her nest. But then now the question asks, how many twigs does a woodpecker have? Not the robin. And then it says the woodpecker has 2 times the amount of twigs the robin has. So now we have to do 69 times 2 to get the amount of twigs the woodpecker has. 9 times 2 equals 18. So we have 18 here, and then we have to write down that 1 over here. Okay, and then we have to do 6 times 2, which is 12. 12 plus 1 is 13. So the woodpecker has 138 twigs to build her nest with. Okay, let me just box that answer. There's a lot of twigs. Okay, so now I've been doing all these problems by myself. So now I have one problem that you guys are going to be doing by yourself. And to do that, you guys are going to have to pause the video and work this problem out. And remember to keep your answer ready, because we're going to be doing some scoring in the end. So I'm just going to read out this problem, and then you guys can pause the video. Jeff had 18 flower pots for his garden. His brother had 3 times more flower pots than Jeff. Jeff's sister had 2 times more flower pots than Jeff's brother. If Jeff's mom had 2 times more pots than Jeff's sister, how many pots does Jeff's mom have? It's a little tricky one. Remember to read the problem over and over again just to make sure you're right, okay? But for now, just pause the video and work these problems out. Just this problem out. Come on. See our woodpeckers chirping. Well, I know you guys haven't paused the video. Please pause it, and I'll be waiting. Okay, so you guys should be back by now, because I'm gonna have your answers, because I'm gonna be working this problem out now. 18 flower pots should be underlined. Okay, and then 3 flower pots should be another thing that you have to underline. 2 times, or 3 times and 2 times, and then 2 times here. Okay, so now Jeff has 18 flower pots, and it says his brother has 3 times more than that. So 18 times 3, 8, 16, 24. 24. Put that 2 up here. Okay, 3 times 1 equals 3, 3, and then 3 plus 2 equals 5. So 54 flower pots. I don't know what he's going to do with all that. Okay, so now it says that his brother has 54 flower pots. Now it says Jeff's sister has 2 times more than that. Okay, so now we have to do 54 times 2. Okay, so now we have to do 4 times 2, which is 8, and then 2 times 5, which is 10. Wow, they must be really into gardening. 108 pots. Okay. Oh my gosh, it's only gonna get bigger. So now it says that Jeff's mom has double, or 2 times more than his sister. So that's 108 times 2. Must have a lot of flowers. Okay, so 8 times 2 is 16. We that 1 up here. 2 times 0 equals 0, and then but we still have that 1, so let's put that 1 right here. And then now 2 times 1, which is 2. 216 flower pots is the amount that Jeff's mom has. So let's box that. So now comment down below if you got this answer correct, if you got it right, or if you got it wrong. It's okay if you got it wrong, no problem. Just remember to keep working. If you got it right, doesn't matter. You still have to keep working. Okay, well that's it for this video. Oh wait, just remember you guys have 3 more problems left. Let me show you those. Here they are. Here are the problems. The first problem is, remember to like this video. Okay? And the second problem that you guys have to complete is share this video to everyone you know. And last but not least, remember to subscribe to this channel. And while you're there, hit that bell icon too. Well, that's it for now. Bye.